Hey guys, welcome to Brew Espresso Coffee. Today's topic is how to make cold brew in 5 minutes. So if you've been following us for a while, you might have noticed that we've already posted many cold brew videos. And some of us don't have the patience to wait a few hours for cold brew to be ready. So today I'm going to show you how you can speed up the process and how you can achieve cold brew really quickly. You've probably already tried Immersion cold brew, which takes about 12 hours, or drip cold brew, which takes 6 hours. But today's method takes 5 minutes. Let's see how it's possible first, and then we'll get to the practical part. Coffee brewing methods use solubility as the physics principle. There are various methods to increase the solubility of a solute. In our case, the solute are the coffee grounds. When we increase the temperature of the solvent, water in our case, we speed up the dissolution. But today we are cold brewing, so no heat is allowed. What else can we use for dissolution? Agitation. As an example, we can look at sugar. You can see that stirring the slurry will speed up the dissolution. We use the same concept for cold brew coffee. Will stirring the coffee slurry with a spoon do the trick? Absolutely not. Well, if you do it long enough, it will work. It would be faster than the mason jar method, but still way too slow. If you want to quickly make your cold brew, you need very fast stirring speeds, as in blender fast. So what else can make the extraction very quick and more complete? The grain size. Powdered sugar dissolves way quicker than granulated sugar. And those two dissolve way quicker than sugar cubes. Dissolving coffee works the same way. The more fine the particles are, the better and faster they will dissolve. Now that I've explained to you the concept, I'm going to give you the recipe. So here's what you're going to need. An immersion blender, coffee beans, mixing cup, bowl, or jar, water, a filter. Start by grinding the coffee. A medium grind size should be optimal. It's the size that's used for drip coffee. Use a 1:8 coffee to water ratio. Measure 40 grams of medium ground coffee and then place them in the bag. Then put the coffee bag in the jar or a beaker. Measure 320 grams of water, that is 320 milliliters, and then add the water on top of the coffee bag. Place the immersion blender in the beaker and then start stirring at a low speed. Blend for about 5 minutes. You'll see that it's ready by the color, and you'll also get a beautiful foam. If you like it milky or extra cold, add milk or milk alternative and ice cubes. This recipe is not for a cold brew concentrate, so keep in mind that adding a lot of ice will dilute it too much. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you'll be trying this quick cold brew recipe. If you do, please comment below and let us know what you think of it. If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll make sure to answer the questions. And if you really like coffee and you would like to see more of our videos, please subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye!